Gesund means healthy. So this chapter talks about your health and your wellness. So when health and wellness comes, it is very important to talk about body parts. Yeah. So that's why this chapter is related to the body parts. Körperteile. Körperteile is body parts. So in this chapter, we'll be learning a lot about body parts. So let's see which body parts and what about body parts we're going to learn here. So I'm skipping the first exercise. It's not rishtish, it's not vishtish. Actually, it's not important. If you want to read these texts, you can do. It's about somebody, a girl named, and what has she done for her experiment. So it's not important. We are coming right here. We are coming right here, which is important. So the topic says the fitness app. Fitness app means the fitness app. Yeah. Now, Leon, this boy is Leon. His name is Leon. Will sportlich sein. So we are using here a modal verb Satz. It says Leon wants to be active. Sportlich means active. So Leon wants to be sportlich. Lesen Sie den Comic? Was muss Leon machen? Yeah. So now, you, okay. Yeah. So there are four pictures given here, A, B, C, D. And then there are some sentences given here. So according to the picture, what Leon should do, what he should do, you have to tell. Yeah, you have to give him advice. If he wants to be active, like then what should he do or what should he does? Yeah. Number A, it's written, it shows in the picture that he's sitting idly on a sofa and he's, I think, doing something with mobile. So what could be the first piece of advice that you want to give him from all these sentences that's written here? What do you think? And if I ask you to give the like suggestion also in English, how would you say it? The first picture.
He shouldn't be lazing around.
Was Revati?
He shouldn't be lazing around.
He should be.
He shouldn't be lazing around.
He shouldn't be lazing around. That's so you're saying what he should not do, but I'm asking you what he should do. Out of all the things that you have written, okay, let's do it a little easier way. You have some sentences here, right? Mach mit, los geht's, steh auf, mach 5 Minuten Sport, ziehe die Sportschuhe an, geh raus und lauf, iss einen Salat, geht früh ins Bett. Sehr gut, mach weiter so, gib alles, hol ein Glas Wasser, trink mindestens 2 Liter, trinken ist gesund. So what do you think? What these sentences mean? And what kind of sentences are these? What kind of sentences are these?
Suggestions.
Suggestions. Okay. And okay, good suggestions. Any other thing that the sentences can tell you what they are doing? Okay. So it's fine. Suggestions. So we're gonna do right now this thing. In a moment, I'll just open the sheet. We're gonna do imperative. I think we did imperative when we discussed about the directions. If you remember, Sana, gehen Sie rechts, gehen Sie links, gehen Sie geradeaus. We did that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we were making formal sentences with Z and we were putting the verb in the first place. Now you'll be learning what are more imperative sentences and how do we do it. So let's see. Let my thing open. And before that, before it opens, I'm giving you 2 minutes time, and I am opening this thing in front of you. This is an exercise that tells you about the body parts in German. What are the different body parts we have? So try to do it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nine. I'm aware. It's period, I think. I want German introductory class. Okay. So yeah, this I'm opening first, and you have to figure out Netzwerk neu, Kurzbuch. Nein, was soll ich nicht hier sein? Kurzbuch, I opened the German sheet. My goodness, why it doesn't work? Okay, let me try from here. Yeah, okay, let's see. It opens from here. Yeah, so it opened from here. Okay, let's shut this off. Let's shut this off and let's come to here. Okay, so I'm giving you the body parts name. Try to pronounce it accordingly, and then we can discuss the meanings. These are the common body parts that we have in German. So here is this. Yeah, this. Okay. So body parts is called Körperteile. Körperteile. Yeah. That says Körperteile. And bitte lesen Sie alle Namen der Körperteile here, all the names of the body parts. And then we'll discuss the pronunciation. And once the pronunciation is done, then we can start with the imperative. So do it, read it, and then let me know when you are done.
Gemacht.
Okay, gemacht. Revati, you gemacht?
Yes.
Okay. So Sana, read any it's 10, and let me know what does these body parts mean.
Yes, ma'am. Der Auge, it means eye. Der Ohr, it means ear. Die Nase, it means nose.
Nase, not nase.
Yes, ma'am. Die
Yeah.
Nase means nose. Der Mund means mouth. Der
Mhm.
Der arm is the arm, normal English arm. And their breast means the breast. Their Bauch means
the stomach. Their bine means leg, the leg.
Das Bein. Das Bein.
Yes, das Bein means yeah, the leg. Their force means the foot. Their
Okay.
finger is the normal finger, English one.
Mhm.
Or 10 over, I forgot to count.
Okay, good. Good. What are the remaining ones? Revati, could you just tell me?
Thus, or the ear,
It's or, not or.
or
Or.
the zana,
Zena.
zena,
Sorry, Sena, not Zena. Sena.
vein, the
Sane.
teeth,
Sane is teeth. Yeah. Okay.
the breast is the breast,
Breast is basically chest. Chest. Okay. Then we have, what is Daumen? They are Daumen.
fingers,
Nine.
thumb,
Finger is finger. Daumen is thumb. Right. What is Hals?
Hals,
What could be Hals?
neck,
Okay. And what is Mund?
mouth,
Good. Okay, so Auga or Sena, Hara, Brust, Bauch is stomach, Bein, Fuß, Finger, Daumen, Hand, Arm, Hals, Mund, Nase, Kopf. Along with that, you have to make it der Auga, das Ohr, die Zähne, die Haare, die Brust, der Bauch, das Bein, der Fuß, der Finger, der Daumen, der Hals, der Hand, der Arm, der Kopf, die Nase, der Mund. So not only the name, but the article is equivalent or it's equally important when we are learning the nouns. So whenever you learn this thing, it's important for you to learn this thing because the chapter requires it. So always learn along with the article. Always learn along with the article. So this I'll send you. Please do a revise and just learn it. Along with that, I'll also send you this. This is a basic vocabulary for all the clothing, not all the clothing, but I have tried to put up the basic clothing. For example, top, blouse, shirt, jeans, tie. So I have added here a few clothing and the accessories. For example, belt, earring, necklace. So like that. So I have added a few vocabulary of the Kleidung, that is the clothing, and the accessories. Please do give it a read. And let me know if you need any sort of discussion with the pronunciation. I'll do it tomorrow, like next class. But first of all, you read it as a homework.